Hello students, welcome to the topic of application of wax polish. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to apply the wax polish.
Materials and equipment. Stain 250 milliliters. Sandpaper 100 and 120. Coconut fiber 250 grams. Wax polish 250 grams. Cotton cloth 50 centimeters. Filler 100 grams. Job sequence. Smooth the surface of the job using smoothing plane. Scrap from all the surfaces using sharpened scraper. Smoothen all the surfaces using number 100 sandpaper. Damp the surface of the job to raise the grain. Fill the gaps with filler material. Stain the surface using stain solution. Smooth the surface again using number 120 sandpaper. Apply several coats of wax on the surface of the job as per the drawing. Rub the surface with even pressure using coconut fiber. Allow the wax polish to dry. Remove the excess wax using pure cotton cloth. Repeat the same procedure using coconut fiber until you set fine glossy finish. Finish the surface of the job cleaning with fine white cotton cloth. Finish the wax polish in wooden surface. As per the drawing.
In this video, we learn about how to apply wax polish with related required materials and tools.